Hi everyone, Frosty here on Friday at noon. I put a blank post out this morning that said the market was crazy because the inflation numbers up again. Imagine that, Joe B. Thanks a lot. Gas is at an all-time high. It's just like the 70s all over again, and I'm old enough to remember that. Alright, so with the market down substantially this week, I took profits in all the covered calls we had in the market, but none of our other holdings are at targets. So I did some adjustment, and I got out of everything that I was holding that was showing a downtrend in the algorithm. Everything that I'm holding now is on an up. Alright, so with that said, I exited XLBs this morning. That's the materials, and I exited tech. I thought we might do better in the next coming weeks with energy, utilities, and metals. So I moved the money from tech into energy, metals, and utilities. So what we're holding right now in the portfolio is the DXDs, the hedge fund. And if we were to get out of that right now, we'd have a $230 gain. I'm out of XLBs. I took a $134 loss on that one. We still have communication. We're down. If we were to get out right now, we'd be down $163. I have energy right now. It's up 148 since the club inception. XLFs are up. We've taken a $125 gain on that one, and we're out. The industrials we're holding. If we were to get out of that right now, we'd be down 171. We're out of tech. That was the big one. It's a $214 loss. We're still in the consumer staples, not discretionary. We're holding the consumer staples. People still need to eat. But if we were to get out right now, we'd be down $61. We're in utilities, up 208. We're in healthcare. That one's down about 600 right now, but healthcare is a long-term holding. And we're out of consumer discretionary, up $466. And in the metals trade, if we were to sell that one right now, we'd be up $280. Anyways, long story short, if we were to dump everything right now, we'd be up $768. I don't want to dump it. I want to hold it. I want to keep at it. Okay, the big decline hurt this week. We were up $1,700 at the beginning of the week, and right now, if we were to dump everything, we'd be down We'd be up $760. But the portfolio is showing down right now about 300. Anyways, it was a bad week. The portfolio's positions for next week's. I'm taking the rest of the day and the weekend off, and I'm taking my best friend and my wife Kim to see Kid Rock tonight in West Palm Beach because that's what she wanted for her birthday. So I'm out of here. I'll see you Monday. Have a great weekend. Frosty out.